We're going to discuss unit rate. Unit rate is the cost or mileage for 1 unit of something. For example, you can purchase 6 boxes of tissue for $15. So finding the cost of 1 box is the unit rate. So you're going to write the information that you have been given as a ratio. So we know that there are 6 boxes for $15. So 6 boxes for $15, or of course 6 for 15. Next, you're going to set up a proportion to determine the cost of using just 1 box of tissues. And don't forget to write the ratio using words first. So if you watch the solving proportions video, you know that my recommendation is to always write it in words first. By that I mean we are comparing boxes and the cost. So we know that 6 boxes cost $15, and we want to find the cost of 1 box. So the cost there will be our variable. It's our missing information. So we're going to cross multiply here. 6 times x is 6x, and then 1 times 15 is 15. And then since this is just simply solving a one-step equation, you divide both sides by 6, and you get 2.5. So that means each box is $2.50 each. And rather than setting up a proportion, you can always just divide. So if we had just divided 15 by 6, we would have gotten 2.5. And often, I don't want to say always, but often in the case of money, you divide the money by whatever it is that you're paying for. So in this case, you divide the $15 cost by the 6 boxes of tissue that are being paid for. So let's do some practice together. 12 gallons of gas cost $45. How much was each gallon? So the cost was $45 for 12 gallons of gas. So we are comparing cost to gallons. So I'm going to write this as 45 over 12. And we need to find the cost of 1 gallon. So we're going to write this as another ratio. So I'm going to bring down here the dollars over gallon just so I keep my ratios consistent with the money on top. So we know $45 for 12 gallons. We do not know the cost, so we're going to put a variable there for 1 gallon. We're going to cross multiply. 12 times x is 12x. 45 times 1 is just 45. And then we're going to divide. And we get 3.75. So our answer is $3.75 per gallon.